So calculate the sum 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 up to 1 by 380. Okay. So again, you can just try it out by pausing the video and then we'll discuss. Okay, let's solve. So one way to solve this is you can just write the series like this. See, 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 into 4. Okay, plus यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 1 upon 19 into 20. Okay. Now guys, the numerators are 1 everywhere, right? इस 1 को हम बहुत smartly replace करते हैं किससे? Denominator के term से. कैसे? The first term 1 will be written as 2 minus 1 divided by 1 into 2 plus. Next term क्या होगा? 3 minus 2 divided by 2 into 3 plus 4 minus 3 divided by 3 into 4. Okay, this will go on. Okay, 20 minus 19 divided by 19 into 20, right? This is how it will be. Okay, now you can simply separate the denominator. So पहला term क्या है 2 upon 1 into 2 ऐसा हो जाएगा minus 1 divided by 1 into 2, right? ये हो गया पहले वाले term का distribution denominator का. Next plus 3 upon 2 into 3 minus 2 upon 2 into 3 plus 4 upon 3 into 4 minus 3 upon 3 into 4. This will continue up till 20 upon 19 into 20 minus 19 divided by 19 into 20, right? Okay, so यहाँ पे 2 cancel, यहाँ पे 3 cancel, 2 cancel, 4 cancel, 3 cancel, 20 cancel, 19 cancel. Oh, very bad drawing. Okay, so if you observe the terms now, guys, what we have is 1 minus half plus half minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. This will go on, right? And last may we'll have plus 1 by 19 minus 1 by 20. So all the intermediate terms will simply get cancelled out, right? So guys, दो terms बचेंगे, first term and last term. 1 minus 1 by 20 will give you 19 by 20 as the required answer. Okay, so guys, this is one way out. The other way to solve the question is the mathematical induction. What we do is we observe the first n terms and find their sum. Okay, and then we say that the pattern will keep on repeating, right? So here, if you take the first term only, the sum will be only half. Okay, but अगर हमने दो terms लिए, okay, half and 1 by 6. So sum of the two terms will be equal to how much? Sum of the two terms will be half plus 1/6. Okay, इधर 3 से multiply करो ऊपर नीचे, 3 1 3 2 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 6 is 2/3, right? वैसे ही sum of the first three terms guys क्या हो जाएंगे? 2 by 3 plus third term क्या है? 1 by 12. You add it here. So multiply upon by 4, 4 to 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 12 is 3 by 4, right? So इसी result को मैंने काफी अच्छे से tabulate किया है यहाँ पे very easily. Okay, so if you have first n terms, okay, first term अगर हमने n की जगह 1 लिया है, the sum is 1 by 2. For the first two terms, the sum is 2 by 3. For the first three terms, the sum is 3 by 4. 4 terms, 4 by 5. That means for the nth terms, the sum is n upon 1. As simple as that, right? So here you substitute n is equal to 19 because there are 19 terms. You get the answer 19 by 20 directly, right? So simple, right? And this you can apply to any of the series questions. The only condition is that the terms should be fractional, okay, like this. And they should be finite. Infinite terms में नहीं चलेगा. Okay, infinite के लिए अपने को पता है AGS लगाना है या GP लगाना है. Okay, we'll solve that. Okay, so we'll solve a few more questions like this. So let's go on to the next question, guys. Okay, this one I want you all to try. Okay, I'll give you a hint. यहाँ पे numerator 1 है, but difference सबका 2 है, right? So what you can do is you can just multiply and divide by 2 everywhere. All right, so you can convert the question into this form. Okay, please try it out now. Okay, so just like the previous question, is 2 को हम कैसे लेंगे? 5 minus 3 upon 3 into 5 plus ये 2 क्या हो जाएगा? 7 minus 5 upon 5 into 7 plus अब ये 2 क्या हो जाएगा? 9 minus 7 divided by 7 into 9 plus last term क्या हो जाएगा? 101 minus 99 divided by 99 into 101, right? Again separating denominators, तो half तो बाहर ही रहेगा. 5 5 cancel, 1 by 3 minus 3 3 cancel, 1 by 5. 7 7 cancel, plus 1 by 5. 5 5 cancel, minus 1 by 7. 9 9 cancel, 1 by 7. 7 7 cancel, okay, 1 by 9. Okay, this goes on continuing. वैसे यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Plus 1 upon 99 minus 1 upon 101. Okay, again guys, see all the intermediate terms get cancelled out. only the first and the last terms remain. That is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 101. Okay, cross multiplying 10 minus 3 is 98. 98 divided by 2 into 3 into 101. 2 cancel, 49. The answer is 49 upon 3 into x. So a is 303. As simple as that. Okay, now let's try to apply induction here, guys. When you apply induction, हम लोग वही करेंगे. Some of the first n terms find करेंगे, some of the first 1 terms, some of the first 2 terms, first 3 terms, and look at the pattern, right? But यहाँ पे एक term, guys, missing है. 1 upon 1 into 3 का term missing है इसमें. We add that. Okay, so when you add that, guys, first 1 terms का sum क्या होगा? 1 upon 1 into 3, which is nothing but 1 by 3 only, right? अगर 2 terms आपने लिया, उनका sum क्या हो जाएगा? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 15. ओके, इसको मुझे 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 5 3 is 15, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 by 15 is nothing but 2 by 5, right? Then if you take the first 3 terms, 2 by 5 में एक और टर्म ऐड हो जाएगा, 1 by 35, 7 ऊपर नीचे, 7 to the 14 plus 15, 15 upon 35 is nothing but 3 by 7, right? So this result again I have tabulated very neatly, okay, in the table given to you here. So you can just have a look here, okay, right? So you can observe the pattern being followed, guys. For the first 1 terms, the sum is 1 by 3. 2 terms, it's 2 by 5. 3 terms, it's 3 by 7. So n terms, the sum is n upon 2n plus 1. It's as simple as that, right? So now you put n equals to 50 here, because see, guys, we have the 50th term as 99, right? 1 is the first odd number, 3 is the second odd number, 5 is the third odd number. 99 is 2 into 50 minus 1, the 50th odd number, right? So we substitute n equals to 50 and we get the sum as 50 upon 101. But हमने यहाँ पे ऊपर 1 by 3 add भी किया है, so subtract कर लेते हैं. We get the same answer, 49 by 303. Exact same answer. Okay, with much lesser efforts, right? Okay, so I hope you've understood this, guys. We'll go on to the next question. Next question purely will be solved by you. Okay, by applying the induction rule. Very simple question it is. Let's try it out, please. Please try it out and then we'll discuss anyway. Okay, so here, guys, for the first term, the sum is 1 by 3. Sum of the first 1 terms is nothing but 1 by 3. For the first 2 terms, the sum will be 1 by 3 plus 4 by 15. Okay, so it will be 5 plus 4, 9, 9 by 15, which is nothing but 3 by 5. Okay, if you take the first 3 terms, okay, वैसे आपको अभी समझ गया होगा pattern, I'm just doing it for confirmation. If you take the first 3 terms, guys, तो sum क्या हो जाएगा? 3 by 5, जो 2 terms का sum था, उसमें you are adding 4 by 35. Okay, so यहाँ पे we multiply divided by 7, 7 3 21 plus 125, 5 by 7, right? So you can observe very clearly, right, guys? यहाँ पे the sum of the n terms is nothing but 2n minus 1 divided by 2n plus 1, right? देखो यहाँ पे 2 है, 2 into 2 minus 1, 2 into 2 plus 1. यहाँ पे 2 in 3 into 2 minus 1 divided by 3 into 2 plus 1. So for the n term, it's 2n minus 1 divided by 2n plus 1. Okay, 5 terms के लिए क्या होगा? 5 to the 10 minus 1, 9. 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11. 9 by 11 is the required answer. As simple as that. Okay. बहुत लोग परेशान रहते हैं, 4 4 repeat हो रहा है, solve कैसे करेंगे? No need to bother. Just use induction. You get the pattern, n upon 2n minus 1 upon 2n plus 1. Your question is solved, guys. So if a1 is equal to 1, an plus 1 is 2, an plus 5 for n equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on till a100, till a100, then find the value of a100. ये पूछा है, sorry. Okay, so we have been given 4 options. Okay, now there are many ways to solve the question. बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, general sequence बनाने को try करते हैं an का with the terms given. Okay, I will use a much shorter method जहाँ पे मुझे इसकी जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. Okay, let's see how. Okay, now guys, the question gives me a1 is equal to 1. You remember this, huh? This is going to be a test. Okay, testing point रहेगा अपना. Okay, now they're asking you a100. Okay, as per the first option, A option, guys, a100 किसके बराबर है? a100 is equal to 5 into 2 raised to 99 minus 6. This is a raised to 100 is equal to 5 into 2 raised to 100 minus 1 minus 6. तो अगर 100 टर्म ये है, गाइस, वी कैन से दैट a n और nth टर्म क्या होगा? 5 into 2 raised to n minus 1 minus 6. अब इसमें अगर हम n equal to 1 पुट करें, हमें क्या मिलना चाहिए? 1 मिलना चाहिए, राइट? वैल्यू. So when you put n equals to 1, you will have 5 into 2 raised to 1 minus 1, 0 minus 6. 5 into 2 raised to 0 is 5 into 1 minus 6, which is minus 1. But हमें 1 चाहिए था, right? So that means A option is ruled out. Same way, in as per the second option, B option, the expression is 5 into 2 raised to n minus 1 plus 6 हो जाएगा ना यहाँ पे, in this case of minus 6. So this will be 5 into 2 raised to 0 plus 6, जो कि 11 होगा, right? But we want the answer as plus 1. So option B also is ruled out. Let's check for option D. Option D will give you 6 into 2 raised to n minus 1 minus 5. Put n equals to 1. Okay, here. Okay. When you do that, you will have 6 into 2 raised to n minus 1 minus 5. Okay. So this will be equal to 6 into 2 raised to 0, 1 minus 5 is nothing but 1. So ये हमें चाहिए. Okay. So option D satisfies. Option C does not satisfy again. So like if you observe carefully, option C में क्या हो जाएगा? 6 into 2 raised to n minus 1 plus 5. So अगर n को 1 put किया, 2 raised to 1 minus 1 is 2 raised to 0, जो कि 1 के बराबर होगा. 6 into 2 raised to 0 will again be 6 into 1 plus 5 will give you 11 again. अब यहाँ क्या चाहिए? 1 चाहिए. So C also is ruled out. The answer is option D as such.